with all the kids. So, muna ba't nga iso na lang, iso na lang ti makaamo nga agluto ti makan na ba't nga imbagay di asawa na, tapos amo na ti prepare na. Di na nakamiso na, ako na, invite ka niya. Nag-agsapan na naglang, ba't alas 12. Is your friend with a friend? Imay kaputan na lahat daw iso na together with a friend. Then come back angry. What is it? Ang muna ni asawa na, hanang amo ti agluto, agi pa-prepare ti simple nga sandwich. Eh, siyempre, di ba ito nag-i-instruct pa, di ba? So, di ba na-i-instruct ko? Sino na tigas mo po? Nakikapang namin. But, you see, the more we know God, the more we understand. The more you know your partner, if you know and you understand that you are one body with your partner, the same thing, we are one in Christ Jesus. We want to know Him, to love Him, to worship Him. Okay, so here are, before come to know the attributes of God, there are three reasons here that vital reasons for us to study the attributes of God. Okay? And this is very good. Number one, the reason why we study the attributes or the characteristics of God is like the asawa, when you meet your second half, inamam mo yun siguro yung sura niya. You try to understand more of him. And kung maamam mo gusto na, the more nga you seek to know them, maragsakan ka. Or maragsakan ka. The same thing kanya yung siguro. The more your partner strive to know you, ay maragsakan kayo. Diba? Ay, tayo di pala yun eh. Para makilala natin parents ko, no? Kinunayo ko't napanda. Ay, maragsakan kayo. Unahan na, kaya't nang amon ti parents yun. Kaya't nakmatagal ko, yung niya. The same thing. With God, if we desire in our heart to know Him, to please Him, maragsakan. Gusto na. Ano naman kayo may sangatan? When I was a young minister. We have come to seminars, the pastors today. With all the other pastors, they are my senior pastors. And I like them, I look upon them. That they are tutor po sila, nang tutor kanya. I look at them, I heard their preaching, and contributes, and I respect them. But then one day, minister seminar, partners, or minister di asawa, dahil ito buta. Kaya one time, or one night, it was, all of a sudden, may kayo tagayan kayo. And I conducted with the couples of the pastors, something a play. Gaayan tayo mga kidis, sakbay habang lororayan tayo, tutugaw tayo, tubod lang amin dito. So, and I said, mga kayo mantingin, one for cheap and paper. And to the couples, he said, isulat you what that likes and dislikes of your partner. So, huh? Yeah, it's about, some fun. But it ends up like, what? At dali ay handa nga mo na karakter di asawa dahil when it comes. So, after that, we come and we read. Both of them read, ha? Di isunak at kasoy na sakat, ha? Yeah. And it brings, new encouragement to them to dig deeper in know them. Di isunagayin ko tas like because di na isurat no dislike ko na nakakamot they understand. Yeah. It brings joy to them. And brings that they desire to know each other more and better. So the same thing. But then maragsakan da, no iso na, what it brings good relationship. It builds the relationship closer and the desire to know them, know their partners. Because if you know your partner, you understand them more.